women and social reforms. Caste reforms, sorry. Caste reforms. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. मुमताज आवाज ना आए, ठीक है, आवाज ना आए. So pioneer or a father of a modern India, it was as a Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, his main work in a field of a sati system, to abolish the sati system, against of which as a Raja Ram Mohan Roy, especially it worked. He worked basically against of the, emphasized on girl education also. He founded the Brahmo Samaj. He founded Brahmo Samaj in Brahmo Samaj, founded by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1830 in Calcutta. BRAHMO. BRAHMO. Brahmo Samaj in Calcutta. It was a socio-religious, it was a socio-religious society, socio-religious society which put their efforts to abolish sati system and child marriages. Sati system and child marriages. Child marriages. Raja Ram Mohan Roy considered as the father of, considered as the father of Bengal Renaissance. Renaissance means newer ideologies. Newer ideologies. RENAISSANCE. Clear? Renaissance, growth of a newer ideologies. Raja Ram Mohan Roy started his formal education in Pathshala in Bengali and Sanskrit. Bengali, Sanskrit and Persian. Bengali, Sanskrit and Persian. He learned about Vedas and Upanishads. He learned about Vedas and Upanishads. Vedas and Upanishads. The idea behind the foundation of a Brahmo Samaj, idea behind formation of Brahmo Samaj, idea behind the foundation of a Brahmo Samaj, it was to reform, it was Brahmo Samaj, BRAHMO, Priyansh, space, Priyansh, Samaj, SAMAJ. Very good. So the idea behind the foundation of a Brahmo Samaj, to reform and modernize Indian society, he successfully campaigned against Apsati. He successfully campaigned against Apsati system. He successfully campaigned against sati, the practice of burning widows. He sought to integrate Western culture, with best features of, with speed, ठीक है कृतिका, with best features of Indian culture and traditions. He established a number of schools. To popularize he established a number of schools to popularize a number of schools to popularize a modern system of education, in India, which effectively change Sanskrit with English, As a social reformer, he promoted a rational, ethical, rational, ethical and non-authoritarian, authoritarian, authoritarian society. He contributed in English literature, contributed in English literature. First stop. Because of the efforts of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Britishers enacted a law against of the sati system in 1829. Second, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, social reformer, Dayanand Saraswati. He was the founder of Arya Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj movement, which was based upon a Vedic culture, based on a Vedic culture. He was the first to give the call for Swaraj, means independence. He was the first. Dayanand Saraswati, it was the first who called for the Swaraj, in 1876. In 1876, he was basically ascetic होते हैं जो संन्यास ले लेते हैं, ASCETIC. Dayanand Saraswati was a ascetic, ASCETIC, ascetic. He believed in Vedas. Dayanand Saraswati advocated the doctrine of karma. Yes, Hariom. Which term you will use in context of karma? KARMA. Continue. So Dayanand Saraswati, he advocated the doctrine of karma, responsibilities. Karma, KARMA. He emphasized on Vedic ideals of brahmacharya, 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 and devotion to God. Raja Ram Mohan Roy's work in field of a sati system. Dayanand Saraswati contributed in promotion of a Vedic culture and equal rights for women. Vedic culture and equal rights for women. Equal rights for women. Equal rights for women. Done. Third, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Vantas, third social reformer. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. ISHWARCHANDRA VIDYASAGAR. Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. It was an Indian educator and social reformer. Indian educator and social reformer. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Wake up, Priyansh. Wake up. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. It was a great educator and social reformer. His efforts to modernize Bengal he suggested widow remarriages through their WIDOW. Widow means a woman whose husband died. Widows. Widow remarriages through his writings. Writings and ancient text. Because of his efforts, Lord Dalhousie, DALHOUSIE, Lord Dalhousie, it enacted a law of Widow Remarriages Act 1856. 1856. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar also promoted a girl education. He promoted the girl education. First off, because of the efforts of Vidyasagar, because of the efforts of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, efforts of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, first efforts of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, first girls' school, India's first girls' school, founded at Calcutta, named as J.D. Bethune J.D. J.D. Bethune in Calcutta. J.D. Bethune in Calcutta. J.D. Bethune in Calcutta. During this time, parents were not willing to send girls to the school. Why? Because what were the reasons responsible for 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 low standard of literacy among women's? Yes, low standard of literacy among girls. Guntas, clear? So what were the reasons? Yes, Guntas? Guntas, yes, stand up. What were the reasons responsible for the low? Second, people feared that schools would take girls away from their family responsibilities. People feared that schools would take girls away from their domestic duties. Third, yes, domestic duties, household duties, घर के काम से, household duties. Third, girls had to travel through the public places, in order to reach the school. Fourth, they thought that education among girls, it would corrupt their minds. Through which they will disturb society. They will disturb pattern of society